Options trading. Options are difficult. Options are complicated. Options give losses most of the time. Is there any option to get solution for this? Yes, Tradeplus came up with an exciting update on our trading platform Rocket. Now, options made simple and easy to trade with free ready-made option strategy builder. You can make options trading easy by in-depth analysis with payoff chart, avoid time delay during volatile market, trade according to the market trend, trade with high positive probability. Rocket has been built with this free ready-made option strategy for beginners, intermediate and even expert so that user can utilize this benefit and make their trades almost risk-free. This free ready-made option strategy builder has total of 20 strategies based on market trends like bullish, bearish, neutral and others. So what are you waiting for? Download our Rocket app from Play Store or App Store now. Trade in options with our free ready-made option strategy builder and make your investments risk-free. Open free demat trading account with zero AMC for lifetime. Trade in option at just $99 per month. Like, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The information discussed herein should not be construed as recommendation or investment advice. Brokerage will not exceed the SEBI prescribed limit.